am Melissa Gallagher. I am originally from New York, Long Island to be precise. Just moved here, Myrtle Beach, in December. It was kind of crazy, but we did it, wanted to get it done, and we were actually in the process of putting together our home and making a happy little family with my husband and our puppy, Riley. I guess back in last year when we first moved here, I was actually in a lot of pain, and I had gone to some treatment at home, which is New York, but not anymore. And it was pretty much either a chiropractor, but of a different nature. Again, is the office staff. Because I actually laughed the first few times I was here. I was like, all right, they're really happy. They're just way too happy for me. I know that sounds funny, but you guys are just like the epitome of a great running office. Props to you all, for y'all. How's that? And of course, Dr. Mike is amazing. He's awesome, and he takes the time to listen to you and to, have a little bit of a conversation when he can, which to me is an important thing in doctor care. I just don't want to be shoved out the door. That's just not me. Some people like that, some people don't. I appreciate Dr. Mike, the staff, and I thank you all for, taking care of us, all the people here, and taking care of me. It's important. My husband has even always said he appreciates that the most in a doctor's office is when you treat, your spouse or your and you get help and you actually feel better, which is an amazing thing. So, final message is that, like I said, come in the office first if that's what you need to do. And I guess always ask for help. But again, always do your research. Because I truly believe that's one of the most important things in the doctor or a place you go for medical help is in the environment. And like I said, this is a wonderful environment. So again, thank you all for taking care of me. And like I said, being so friendly. That's an awesome thing. Awesome thing in an office. Because believe me, you usually don't see it like that. At least from what I know, you don't see it like that. So I made my choice, and I can say that I'm very much so happy, and can't wait to keep going forward, which I think is an important thing, because you always want to keep your health, hopefully, number one.